Hello everyone, my name is Aniket Asik Tokre. I am student of SS Institute of Management Studies. I am presenting the PPT of Game Theory. Game Theory definition: the branch of mathematics concerned with the analysis of strategies of dealing with competitive situation where the outcome of a participant's choice of action depends critically on the action of other participants. Game theory have been applied to concepts in war, business, and biology. Types of game there are explained as follows: two-person game, when there are two players involved in the game, then this is termed as two-person game. One is considered and maximize players and other is considered as minimizing players. Multiple person game, when there are more than two players involved in the game, then this is termed as multiple person game. This is also termed as a person game. Zero sum game. Zero sum means addition becomes equal to zero when the sum of gains of all winners is equal to the sum of losses of all the losers. This condition of game is called zero sum game. Non-zero sum game, when the sum of gains of all winners is not equal to the sum of losses of all the losers. This condition of game is called non-zero sum game. Two-person zero sum game, in the two-person game, when the gain of one player is equal to the loss of other players, such type of game is termed as two-person zero sum game. Steps for solving poor strategy game: maximizing and minimizing player. In the playoff matrix, maximizing players strategy should be written in the row and minimizing player strategy should be written in the columns. Row maximizing strategy: in the row maximize maximum values from the minimize values of the given rows and taken. In simple words, and at first row minimum row values should be taken for all rows and then maximum value from all row minima values are taken called as row maximum values. Column min max strategy: in the column minimum values from the maximum values of the given columns are taken. In simply words, at first column maximum values should be taken for all columns and then minimum value from all columns maximum values are taken called as column max value. Objectives: understand the principle of zero sum to player game. Analyzing poor strategy game. Dominance principle. Solve mixed strategy game. Advantages: game theory gives insight into several is now expect with RLS in situation of conflicts in stress. For example, it distinguishes and explains the phenomenon of weapon and conflict information. Elimination: the assumption that players have the knowledge about their one playoff and playoffs other is not practical. The technique of solving games involving mixing strategies, particularly in case of large pay of matrix, is very complicated. All the component problem cannot be analyzed with the help of game theory. Thank you.